back to another supplement video. In this one, I'm going to be covering CoQ10. CoQ10, this as well has been found at Walmart, is known as coenzyme 10. It's kind of like it helps with, it's an antioxidant, and it helps also with heart and cardiovascular health as well. So the reason why I take this one is basically for the antioxidants. So with skincare, you want to make sure that not only are you taking care of your skin, are you staying out of the sunlight, you also want to make sure you're eating well as well. So with this one, antioxidants are very important. It helps to keep away different kinds of like bad factors such as like oxidative factors, which can actually break down DNA, which in other words means that over time, like oxidative radicals will actually tend to break down your DNA, and every time your cells kind of like multiply or divide and reproduce, they in a way are damaged, and so over time skin loses elasticity, collagen goes down. So with age, it's very important to know that you want to have as many antioxidants as possible to reduce aging. And like the most important thing with skin is radiation, so UV light, which comes from the sun. We do need it. However, we also need to stay away from too much. Too much of anything is bad. And also making sure our diet is good. And antioxidants are very important for that. So making sure that you're doing your skin regimen, you're doing your beauty regimens, you're hydrating, you're taking care of your skin, staying out of sunlight. You also got to make sure you're eating well as well. So antioxidant levels, it's important. So that's what I've been taking this for. But like I said, it's also good for your heart. So it's an interesting thing, but it actually contains some fats as well. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to see. I don't know if I can focus or not. Anyways, the fats are right there. It's not much. I think it's like 0.5. Yeah, it's 0.5 grams. So just so you know, it's not really too important, but it's CoQ10. So let's go ahead and see what the actual pill looks like now. Now, I think it looks a little interesting. It kind of looks like the biotin, if you've seen that video. So this is the CoQ10 right here. You can see. It's kind of like a orangey red color. Relatively small too, kind of like a jelly bean. And actually easy. It's like kind of like one of these, it's not a gel, but it's almost got like a lubricant on it. That's kind of like the best way I can describe it. It's kind of like it's easier to actually like swallow, and it's not like it's gonna get stuck in the back of your throat. I hate that feeling. I used to have a terrible time with pills as a kid. Anytime I had to take like a vitamin or something like that, I just couldn't do it. But these are actually really, really simple and really easy, so that's good to know in case you're like me and it's difficult to take any kind of supplements. But this one definitely works. It's definitely nice. So out of a 5 scale, has this helped? To be honest, there's not much I can really tell. My skin's been doing good. My heart feels fine. So when you are already at a level where you're younger and you're kind of like still in your prime, you can't really see a big difference. Like for me, do I feel like my heart's been better? Sorta. But do I think it's doing a good job? I think it is. So I would have to give it just for basically shits and giggles, I'm probably just gonna say a 3. Do I think it's needed? Probably not. I probably can just eat, healthy foods and just get CoQ10 that way. But when I feel like I'm lacking, I think this definitely helps. As far as taking a multivitamin goes, I think you can probably do that too. So I'll probably get the same thing, but I would recommend taking this if you have heart problems or if you don't get the right amount of antioxidants every day. Definitely good for your skin and heart, so I really support that as well. So 3 out of 5 with that one. I support it. Do I think it's really necessary? No, but I do take it just in case. I think it does help as far as like skin goes and beauty goes. I do believe that. And as far as like cardiovascular health, I probably do need that as well. I have had heart problems in the past. I've had like weird heart palpitations and sudden arrhythmia, and since taking it, I actually haven't had that. It might just be a fluke, but for now, it's doing good. So I support it. So I hope that helps you guys, and if you guys have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. And if you have a question, I'll answer you to the best of my ability. And Thank you very much, guys, for watching. It really means a lot. Hope you stick around for my other supplements. I got like 3 more to do today, and I'll answer any questions you guys have. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, take care, everyone. See you on the next video.